In this video we will see how to make money with Shutterstock. First, you can upload your photos and videos and design them on Shutterstock and earn money. Becoming a contributor on Shutterstock is easy. Anyone over the legal age of 18 can register and start submitting content in a few simple steps. Let's see how it is. First, you need to open an account. Click the link in our video description and join. You see right side sign up button, click then open new page. Step 1. Provide basic information. On the first page, enter your full name, display name, and email address. If you are registering as a business, your full name must match your legal name or your business name. Your display name is what customers will see. Your email address is where we will contact you. If you press next, we will send you an email to verify that the email address you provided is correct. Follow the instructions in the email. You check your email and open the new email from Shutterstock. See the message and click on the Verify Your Email link. Step 2. Add your address. Please enter your residential address and your mailing address if they are different. Address information should be entered in English only. That's it, you're done. You can now explore your account dashboard and start uploading your content. In the next video you will see how to upload it. Thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel, PSD Guide.